thanks for joining with us. Now we are going to discuss about comparing the cost of virtual data room software. Comparing the cost of virtual data room software is an important step in selecting the right of solution for your specific needs. Various pricing can vary significantly based on various factors. Here is a breakdown of the cost and components and factors to consider when comparing various software costs. One, subscription model versus per project pricing. Many videos provider often subscription based pricing, typically billed monthly or annually. This is suitable for organizations that need video for ongoing long term use. Some providers offer per project pricing, which can be more cost effective for short term deals and transactions. You pay for the video only for the duration of a specific project. 2. User listening. Video software is often priced per user. You pay a fee for each user who needs access to the platform. Be aware of any tried pricing structures where the cost per user may decrease as you and more user. Number 3 is storage capacity. The amount of data storage you require for the comparing the cost of virtual data room is organization needs to ensure the video is accommodate it. Some video providers offer a basic package and extra charge for advanced features or add-ons. These may include advanced security features, reporting tools, or customization options. Some videos may change fees and for initial setup by onboarding, which can be include data migration, training, and document configuration. Some providers offer different pricing tiers based on the size of data room. A small data room for single project may be less expensive than a larger data from user for multiple ongoing projects. Consider how long you will need the video. Monthly or annual subscription can be more cost effective for long term use, while per project pricing might be a better short term needs. For MA and financial transactions, providers may charge based on the number of documents, of the volume of data uploaded, downloaded, or accessed. If you need highly customized video with your branding, this may become to at an additional cost. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel. Till then, take care and also subscribe please.